Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're trustedshopperguide.com, and today we're in the kitchen. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated kitchen trash cans. It's no secret that kitchen waste accumulates quickly compared to other areas of the house due to the amount of waste we make while making our favorite meals, desserts, and drinks. With this, greater thought should go into selecting kitchen trash cans. These items store leftover dishes, spoiled delicacies, and uncanny beverage combinations, so you'll need to choose the right capacity for your daily waste disposal, the best operation to last a long time, and the perfect design to match your kitchen theme. In this video, we compiled the 7 top-rated kitchen trash cans that'll assist your cooking and dining sessions. The team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the kitchen trash cans that'll be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you, make it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You're welcome to check us out on TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the kitchen, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first kitchen trash can on the list is the iTouchless kitchen trash can. With the variety of design choices, iTouchless kitchen trash can is committed to maintaining the tidiness of your kitchen while staying stylish. You can choose from the color options of white, rose, gold, and silver, and the shape options of round, semi-round, and slim rectangular. The capacity starts from 9 liters for a round trash can up to 50 liters for a rectangular trash can. In terms of size, it's 26 inches tall with 14 inches long by 16.75 inches wide opening. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the iTouchless kitchen trash can a 5-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: removable storage. This kitchen trash can comes with a durable removable plastic inner bucket that'll help you empty the trash quickly without creating any mess. Deodorizing system. Out of the box, you get a replaceable activated carbon odor filter to eradicate the smell of rotten or spoiled food. Fingerprint-proof body. This product is made of brushed stainless steel, giving it an elegant, smudge-resistant, and easy-to-clean exterior. Replaceable air damper. The air damper keeps your trash can feeling new by retaining the soft and quiet lid close function. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the stainless steel body is quite thin. The second kitchen trash can on the list is the Amazon Basics kitchen trash can. The secure and minimal design of the Amazon Basics kitchen trash can makes it a reliable contender in keeping your kitchen clean. It has a satin nickel finish with an opening that's 14.65 inches long and 16.73 inches wide, and a body that's 25.87 inches deep. You can fit 4 days to a week's worth of trash with the 50-liter capacity. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Amazon Basics kitchen trash can a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: stay open mode. You can easily remove and replace the interior bin without having the trash can close on your hand. Sturdy construction. This kitchen trash can features a stainless steel exterior and an unslip pad to avoid dents, resist smudge, and stay upright. Detachable bucket. The heavy-duty inner bucket is made of plastic that can be removed conveniently. Soft close lid. With a soft pedal mechanism, the trash can closes gently to reduce noise and prolong the lifespan. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it doesn't prevent odor buildup, so you might want to invest in room fresheners. The third kitchen trash can on our list is the Kohler kitchen trash can. The brushed black stainless steel of Kohler kitchen trash can makes it look sleek while holding the scraps in the kitchen. It has a 50-liter capacity that can fit in the body's dimensions. The item has an opening that's 13 inches long by 16.81 inches wide with a height of 26.44 inches. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Kohler kitchen trash can a 5-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: wall scuff resistant. The hinge design protects the kitchen trash can's exterior from abrasion and scratches. Durable foot pedal. You won't have to worry about your hands getting dirty while disposing of waste with the smooth lift of the foot pedal. Quiet close lid. This item closes gently to avoid distracting anyone in the house when you're throwing trash late at night. Simple cleaning. The removable plastic liner makes it easy to dispose of waste in one go and replace trash bags quickly. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the body may get a dent if it falls over. The fourth kitchen trash can on our list is the BestOffice kitchen trash can. Offering a functional and modern design, BestOffice kitchen trash can is an item worth checking out. The oval body and sloping lid are partnered with a 50-liter capacity that'll ease waste disposal. You can choose from the color options of white, red, black, and stainless steel. In terms of dimensions, it has an opening with a length of 11.37 inches and a width of 16.1 inches and a body with a height of 25.31 inches. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Best Office Kitchen Trash Can a 5-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: touchless technology. The induction technology of this kitchen trash can is powered by an infrared sensor that opens automatically when your hand is within 5.9 inches range. 4 seconds delay. You won't have to rush waste disposal with a slow closing of the lid 4 seconds after inactivity. Mute lid. This kitchen trash can is dedicated to not disturbing the family by utilizing a lid that closes quietly. Lifting ring. You can carry this item outside by hauling it easily without lifting it fully. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the base is not flat, so we recommend getting anti-slip stickers. The 5th kitchen trash can on our list is the Tiyafuro kitchen trash can. If you're looking for waste storage that you can place under the sink, Tiyafuro kitchen trash can has you covered. This item is a mountable bucket with an opening that's 10.2 inches wide and 6.3 inches long and a height of 11.6 inches. Amazingly, despite the compact profile, you can load up to 9 liters of trash in this bin. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Tiyafuro kitchen trash can a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: easy to mount. You can place this kitchen trash can on the wall or under the sink, either by using an over-the-door hookup for cabinets or adhesive hooks for glass, marble, metal, and wood surfaces. Built-in scraper. The scraper will assist you in cleaning up spills on the table and stick residues on the counter. Odorless storage. This item has a compost bucket and lid that hides a smell even without a charcoal filter. Heavy-duty material. This product is made of sturdy, high-density polypropylene that's easy to clean. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the lid fits quite tightly, so a little amount of force is required to remove it. The 6th kitchen trash can on our list is a simplehuman kitchen trash can. The brushed stainless steel design of the simplehuman kitchen trash can is partnered with large volume that simplifies waste disposal. You can choose from a variety of capacity options including 18 liters, 30 liters, 40 liters, and 45 liters. The 30-liter bin is 26 inches tall with 10.4 inches long and 17.6 inches wide opening. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the simplehuman kitchen trash can a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: lid shock technology. This kitchen trash can slows the closing of the lid for a muted operation. Butterfly lid. This item has a lid that splits open to get all waste from countertops and low tables. Powerful steel pedal. The pedal of this product is engineered to withstand 150,000 steps or more than 20 steps in a day for 20 years. Functional design. This kitchen trash can has internal hinges to avoid scuffs from the wall and an unskid base to avoid slipping. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the lid doesn't stay open for long. The 7th kitchen trash can on our list is the EcoCasa 2 kitchen trash can. The space-saving slim profile of the EcoCasa 2 kitchen trash can gives it a unique edge while sorting out waste. It has a 20-liter capacity on each bucket for a total of 40-liter capacity. In terms of dimensions, the body is 25.8 inches tall and the opening is 17 inches wide by 13 inches long. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the EcoCasa 2 kitchen trash can a 4-badge rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: dual compartment. You can segregate your biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste or separate the dry and liquid items. Durable pedal mechanism. The pedal of this product is designed to last more than 100,000 steps while closing slowly and quietly. Built-in deodorizer. This item has a deodorizer compartment that holds the charcoal filter to keep the trash can and kitchen smelling fresh. Stay open mechanism. With just a slide of a button, you can command the lid to stay open for a longer duration. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the body is a bit short. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated kitchen trash cans, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you will have any contenders for our next kitchen trash can roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We'll look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.